Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my first ever Kinder Beauty box unboxing. I'm excited that my box finally arrived. I'm pretty sure I got the October box and it arrived on the last day of October, so happy Halloween. And I'm excited about this because I love beauty subscriptions. So I was looking for different ones to sign up for, and Kinder Beauty Box was one of the top ones to come up when I was looking it up online. And I'm excited about it because it's all cruelty-free, vegan, and clean products. And I really should be using those types of products. So it really does seem like a great company to support. And so when I signed up for a 6-month subscription. I got a free bonus box, which is why I have 2 here. So I'm excited to unbox them. There's also a product that came outside of any of the boxes, the Sonage Collagen Boosting Serum. Ooh, plumps and smooths. So I think I'm going to be able to discover a lot of brands that I'm not familiar with. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the first box here, oh, and by the way, it cost $26 a month, I think. So, okay, yes, this is the October box here. I love that there is product information. And let's see what I got. It definitely smells really nice. Like I'm in a really nice, like natural skincare store. First, of course, I'm reaching for the beautiful pink packaging from the brand Jill Shave Starter Kit. This is fun. I don't think I've ever gotten a shave kit in a beauty subscription box, and I feel like that is so useful. Ooh, what have we got in here? A nice soft towel, the razor stem, and then the razor head here. I love the aesthetic of this brand, and I can always use a new razor, so I am very excited about my first ever product that I pulled out from Kinder Beauty. So the Jill Starter Kit, $19.99 retail value. Oh, and you know what? This isn't even like a regular razor. This is actually for dermaplaning. So it's smaller razors, more like precise for getting like the skin, the peach fuzz. I have done dermaplaning, but I'm not good at keeping up with it. So I feel motivated to do that again. Next, I'm going to pull out another beautifully packaged product. This is from the brand Ethique Wom Bar Solid Shampoo. I have never used a shampoo bar. This sounds so cool. Soap-free, pH balanced. Wow. It sounds so cool. I'm excited to try this. A beautiful purple bar. It smells so nice. It smells very relaxing. So yeah, it saves on plastic, saves on water. I love these products that are going to be better for the environment. I'm so excited to be able to show those types of products here on my channel too. Next, I'm pulling out Floor and Bee H2O Yeah Hydrating Moisturizer. Hydrating and anti-aging. I'm probably not going to know most of the brands that I get in this box, but that is not a bad thing. Oh, the packaging on this is also so beautiful and aesthetic. So yeah, just like a nice moisturizer, massage into face and neck, morning and evening. So here on my YouTube channel, I have a series where I try out a new makeup product every day. So if I get any makeup in Kinder Beauty box, I'll definitely try it out in a dedicated video. But skincare products, I use them up completely. So I'll do monthly, if I can get through enough products, empties videos, and that's where I'll be able to give you the feedback on all of these products that I get in these Kinder Beauty boxes. So I can really try out the skincare and the self-care products and see how they work for me after an extended amount of time. So I'm really excited to try these out and then be able to let you know how they worked for me. Oh, and I think I forgot to mention that the Ethique shampoo bar retails for $17 and the Floor and Bee H2O Yeah moisturizer retails for $28. All of these, I mean, they're not cheap, but they're not crazy expensive. Like, they seem very feasible to work into your routine if you were looking for a clean, vegan, cruelty-free product for that part of your routine. Oh, so it looks like you get 5 full-size products. Next, I've got here 3 Ships Dew Drops, mushroom, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C serum. That sounds really nice. I am really excited to see how these ingredients go together. I feel like I've used a hyaluronic acid serum and a vitamin C serum, but not together, and then adding in mushroom. Ooh, I mean, I hear so many good things about mushrooms and beauty products, so I'm excited to try this out. I feel like I'm getting a full routine in this box. So the 3 Ships Dew Drops Mini retails for $11.67. And then I actually do recognize this brand. It's called Mud Masky Serum Infused Eye Mask. Reduces dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, and swelling. That sounds really great for me and my dark under eye circles with all the fine lines. My under eye circles are one of my biggest struggles, so I'm very excited to get this and very excited to try this out. And the Mud Masky Serum Infused Eye Mask retails for $49. So that's a really exciting skincare box. If you're really into skincare, I know that you would love this box. I mean, you did still get the shampoo bar, the shaving kit, but I guess dermaplaning is kind of skincare. But wow, it just makes me feel like I'm going to have such a luxurious, like, self-care experience, and it really motivates me to get into that. And now let's get into my bonus box. Which I think is just the March 2022 box. So let's see what came in here. And you know what? This Sonage Collagen Boosting Serum is not on the product information for either of the boxes, so I think this was also a bonus gift. So wow, such a huge bonus that I got a full box and this full-size product. So first I'm going to pull out, this is from the brand Based Indulgent Body Lotion, and this is in the scent Creme Brulee. Oh my gosh, I love body lotion and getting body products. I go through them probably like 1 a week because I shower every day and I put on a full body lotion or oil or serum, whatever it may be, after every shower. So I go through them quickly. I don't want to open this just yet because it's sealed, but I can still get like a little hint of that creme brulee smell. Oh, I'm excited about that. So the Based Creme Brulee Body Lotion is a $3.99 retail value. Next, ooh, J&L Naturals Ethical Essentials Face Salve. Hydrate. Apply a thin coat to damp skin. Blot with a towel if skin feels oily. Store in a cool place. Ooh, lots of nice oils in here. I don't totally know what a salve is. I'm probably not even pronouncing that correctly. Let's see. It retails for $16.99, soothes dryness, and regulates oil production, all without clogging pores. So kind of, I guess, just like a moisturizer is I'm assuming how I can use that. Next, from the brand 103 Collection, Blueberry Cranberry Facial Scrub. Ooh, that sounds nice. It doesn't smell as nice as I was expecting it to. Yeah, not my favorite smell. We'll see if I can get myself to use this on my face. But you know what I'm thinking too? A lot of these products that maybe I don't see myself trying or I have too much of, I can't really get to right now, they would make such great gifts. The holiday season is right around the corner, and I love to give like small business, like indie beauty, clean, cruelty-free vegan products as gifts. I feel like, you know, like a scrub, a lotion are perfect for, I mean, everyone, but especially the people that are hard to get gifts for, like coworkers, someone like that. So that's what I'm going to keep in mind as I go through these boxes. If I have products that I know I don't need right now, I'm going to gift them to other people. Ooh, next I do recognize this brand, Earth Harbor Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. Oh, I really like to get hair products. I think those are the ones that seem to be exciting me the most. Ooh, so this is kind of just like, you can use it as a scalp treatment, massage it, and then leave it on for a few minutes, then wash out, or you can apply it to the entire length of your hair, leave it in for a few minutes, wash it out. So basically like a hair mask treatment, which, I mean, my hair is natural right now. Like it needs it needs help. And I like the brand Earth Harbor. They make nice products, but I have not tried this one out yet. The Earth Harbor Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir retails for $30. Oh, I did forget to let you know the 103 Collection Blueberry Cranberry Facial Scrub retails for $9.99. And then the fifth product in the box here, ooh, is a lip treatment kit. I love lip products. From the brand 3 Ships. Hydrate and exfoliate. Ooh, now this is right up my alley. I deal with very dry lips. And I do use a lip mask every night. I haven't been great about using a lip scrub, but this might help motivate me. So yay, it came with a buttercream hydrating lip mask. Ooh. Oh, it smells delicious. Maybe I'll try this out in a dedicated review video. And then a vanilla lip exfoliator in these beautiful glass tubs. Oh, it smells so good. Yay, I'm really excited about this one. The 3 Ships Lip Treatment Kit is a $30 value. I think this is going to be so perfect for me with the cold weather that's actually not too bad right now, but it's gonna be here soon. So this is also a really nice box, and I'm so happy that I got it as a free bonus gift. Wow. This box I feel like came with more products that I don't already have and aren't already using in my routine, so it'll be really nice to incorporate them and just expand my self-care even more. So I'm excited to continue getting Kinder Beauty. Like I said, I signed up for a 6-month subscription. I really kind of went all in on this, so I'm looking forward to next month's. But if you get Kinder Beauty, let me know what you think of it. Let me know what are some of your favorite products that you've tried, and of course if you tried any of the products that I pulled out today, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.